essential services ene e mo kwan mo ma ye adwuma ya ka nyina no obi an hyefie se ne be ya yare ne e betimi aso ano ana pay masem bisa ne se ye kan lockdown a what ya se sen ebiem wo supporto wo foaso se ne akwakoduru no yanko total lockdown ana asembisa no you can lock down until say what one is saying. Do you support the idea? 0302216561 0302216562. Marco Refrigeration, Bank of Africa, the African Bank with global reach, and Awake Mineral Water. And I am also Quenya. And what to train and come on. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
That's how we do.
I am from Hussein because of your Chimota.
Hussein?
Yes.
You can't lock down. What you saying?
Lockdown, or maybe say. You very restricted human movement. And there are certain activities via you be allow now more operating essential services. By I think if they can do the lockdown in phases, for instance, maybe the travel between one city to another. If they can stop that one. So if there's any progress now matter are taking the next registration.
Okay, Fuseni, thanks for calling. Me say. Hello, good morning. Sorry. Ebisasa until say lockdown ho anything. Ofuaso. Send your drone, Yanko lockdown. Well, share your thoughts with us. Hello, good morning.
That's it, lawyer.
Yes, sir.
Oh, my name is Soma was home. Yeah, lockdown. No. But I'm from the criminal. I'm from TSA. Say curfew. Yesterday, me curfew me who be down. But Uchi and my man be so. And then I'm some because I was Egypt. In fact, the way I ate no, and easy. And I said that now make a say, Montreal will treat Mona about Frontier. Yambusa say, I'm Wabe and I air it. Now on my penny, like I say, or the say, Ebuquemu, no affect by the first one at the boy and come up with Anamombia where they were to because ultimately, Tiana, one way now, then I'll be. Yesterday. Though we say I'm not but any wood, but women and Penifone cannot yom the two common yen to Pepe, Nango Bonjamo.
May I say, hello, good morning. Sorry. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Everyone saying? But also didn't design.
Right now.
Oh, okay. Okay, so free.
We need that.
Okay. Yentiu.
Spatula. Lockdown.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me what you doing?
But your friend mentioned because of your chumota.
Mevia, you can lock down out here saying.
But I mean, yeah, say like who stopping for phone calls outside for a while. And I hear in the case, it's not all people who are yet ready for that. Let's assume those in the villages. It will be everyone who can buy food stuff and like sorry there. Let's consider those who can do that. There are few. So I think it should be taken into consideration. Thank you.
Thanks for calling. Thanks for calling. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. Odin. What's Odin saying?
Joshua.
Okay, Josh. Okay, good. Lockdown, what you are saying? I feel for us.
Lockdown, the minister you better them just by me for Sunday. If there was a former one PA now in Yadian, on to born Masum. So, what I could prepare and going. And so, custom, yes, so, what are they? Oh, and all that. It's only
okay. Joshua, me that's a pass off friend. Hello, good morning. Sorry. Hello, good morning. Morning.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Me bacha Odin.
Me dey Gideon Nasari from Okota.
Your first name?
Gideon Nasari.
Gideon.
Yes, sir.
Gideon, tell us lockdown when they saying.
Lockdown is say government need the yari into obi answer this year. Say to mu kwa yanto mayan kwa juma. But the ban kan so e ho da chide enti aban be nya sika dia. Na onye se ade na mai na yari twema na fe ye bibian store. Na ejuma so nyina akoto.
Aban ni nya den.
So obebua en say ye be lockdown na ye obi an kwa juma na obi emi ni store na obemayen sika de be hwe en ho dia. Obebua ye. Yes. Imagine.
Gideon me that's it. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Yeah. Chumbarima Asante, that's what we call.
Okay, Chumbarima, yanji wa drink wo lockdown ho na fe mpo yembusa se wo fo aso. Chum.
Yeah, DJ, ya tene say lockdown no. Eye say for obusia, so you know ma shamu fie na mo shamu dem. Umpie kwabontin ko butu. Sabe obaye ho yie kra no say otumi nya baabi a ewo fie ho a obaye ho yie. Umpie kwabontin ko tonye ma ye obedi ni die obanum nyina wo fie. Na no na ye bi ta say ye wo sa ne ma. Nipa bebreba nkrofo dan a sabe baby obedan anim baby obebu nsuo ni ho a je to kwa monten no omo be ye dan e no ma survive ba sa o ka se u bi sa me se me fo aso na me fo aso a e do situation bi a enye ope e na ye ho de sese ye ya adabo man no e na wo se ye yi enti se me fo aso no de na me fo aso se enkane ma me boss bi e wo won ko fu fi an ko fo han no more to you issue. The big new one, said obey a day, and was sorry, we got it, and I said, we got it. Yeah.
Chumberma Medasi, Good. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Batawani.
Yeah, tell me, problem.
What's that saying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yentio, what drink lockdown, who nothing yembisa say, ofaso.
Me, the Americans say, lockdown is a basis here, you bet because I come be papa, because you are. This is your way and then I'll be called job. And now, Quaco, yeah, concrete dia za na obenyan nanu diani na say ye lockdown ye ebede that's na mi padi sa
me da say why
okay
good Are we really ready? Hello, good morning. Sorry. Go for you. Bradia. So what I'm sleeping on the shia. Can you may you go. Well, Brian, woman, my friend, woman, go school. Enti ehun behia pass a wofo ye bedan joy learning ehun behia pa kenkan ne ye manu omo SHS no subjects ni nyina ye teacher for omo abotre to omo bo ase kire subjects ni nyina mako ya bo fran what fie de enso wo joy learning channel wo fie a on pien ko baby I say fie na pa ko manwumre subject after subject after subject. It's more modern. Say, uni multi TV digibox wa. Baby, and yeah. Na ebebwa bofrana pa. Open information bia. 0264 790970. 0264 790970 and 0302 211 688 0302 211 688. Joy learning. Keep learning. Adom Foundation Alanchi books me The Dreamer and Element. When you na nwoma ni penny komla affect Dumo otiase wo tre Dreamer no kasafa or ayonwa sanu treye personal writing highlighting his experiences during worldwide tour while pursuing his career as a broadcast journalist. Tiano ni nyina Dreamer ni mu no uhunu niema waye miamia otu kwan koe niema uhuni ni niema usua ni nyina no sa book ni mu Element. And so a kasafa komla the fundamental principle as a journalist, the passion for music, the nahombrasie and the sense of fair play. Ngoma mienu na abadwaso oba Joy FM front desk ubenya bi EPP books bookshop or Lagos EPP bookshop or trade fair Kingdom Books or Usu and afi Lagos Citrus shop ANC mall digibooks na was Sakumono afi so call www.komladumofoundation.org ubenya book ni bi wo ho afi Komla Dumo Memorial Foundation office wo ha twonso ubenya bi and na ukọ Parliament Library so ubenya book ni bi wo open komo bia na mu nkyeremu bia 0546501118 and 0208326025. Good morning to you, Chief Ata or DVLA. I feel so. Na minia NSC Kumi, aspiring parliamentary candidate. Akwetia constituency. NS, good morning to you. nkomo ya ma men twetwe sa nkomo yi na men kɔ South Africa mini ansem training hɔ no odi ne dwuma ejabo aben me ma akwa
direct
me ba so ho ya de mini a
na ko pa den me tafa di na keke ejo
South Africa say ye ka say situation it is saying efa lockdown no eho it is saying pa ejabo aben
mama na do ma so no people na de ba but there is any blink and change yes you know the future from the ball actually but my family and the man to be so no when you is when everything you need for the next down the trip of minus they city anywhere for it potential man to be about don't think about the kitchen common but we can issue command you are a soldier for I'm a soldier for me plan to travel more than Russia if you from a brother band there na soldier for me to transfer the opposition of the team to the front of the man from the treasury and clearly your man coma you want a soldier for Obama my expectation you be a man or mountain at the work of a club a better show and they are from the lockdown 82 afternoon the criminal
Hello. Well, I'm Salino article ejabo aben a freelance journalist was South Africa. Na homano ate. I don't know if we can get him back. And sana yeah sorry. Well, Yadibesia na afi one day. Bra. Mr. Kwame Sapon say do happy birthday to I'll say happy birthday to Cynthia Adai Ashoman Estate way free Iowa 05 I'll say happy birthday to you Cynthia Adai. One day Boko dear
for sen yeah
me pa the mura now the abano and customized 25th anniversary polo shirt
responsibly
my feel live band in the power
the way I
can if you see
responsibly then so you see a free be a Kofi 19 the Kofi 19 ababa into my live band no but still no I know omudi kambo bi ansana what I say still na your vintage Friday no mo e kwan bia so wo fie wo tu kwan wo to ka mu wo adwuma mu ana wo do afidie na to adom na wati work and happiness if you say na be twa nwom pa ama wanka so watu cha fili so wo fie so ani tua
Matiasi responsibly
sa pepenete is because of COVID-19. See, na nanu muti. Ona boy say get ya no. COVID-19. Ame so ma jatu. The way go for body ni. So ho.
Tomorrow is your birthday, CEO of Nostrum Enterprise, Sheikh Ahmed Kwabena Nkrumah. Na nia wo ye ni se or the 40-footer containers mienu. Chese hand sanitizers se mena ne niema keke ka ho na wo de che government hospitals. And what they Sheikh Ahmed Kwabena Nkrumah.
Sheikh
Ahmed Kwabena Nkrumah
Sheikh
You need the Chief Jerry Force in Missouri. Yeah, the Friday's edition of Work and Happiness. Hope you the crowd. Titi and Majma.
Titi or get documentary ready.
We need the Chief Jerry Force in production team. Listen well, Kojo Fojo.
can go for one sem John.
Tell me. Ayo down.
Me the pa.
Ever person who has that Marco Refrigeration, Bank of Africa, the African bank with global reach, and I say Awake Mineral Water. I mean, that my production team, I say solid production team, led by Listo Kwadwofojo, Joshua Tigo, Kofi Asan, DJ Awana. Are you all fine for that room? We're live on Facebook. We the chief Jerry Force and a bit me a friend CJ. My ring fee. So my young can crow for Nsem Cherewo. A man on council Nsem Cherewo. Those who talk to you about others, talk to others about you.
I catch up some for Uncle Baby.
It is not well with my soul. It is not well with my soul. It is not well. Well, it is not well with my soul. Ya to sorry. I was so here. Nana do it is not well with my soul. Never, la. Mba. It is not well with my soul. It is not well with my soul. It is not well. Well, it is not well with my soul. Ya to sorry. I was so here, Nana do it is not well with my soul. Never, la. Mba. It is not well.